Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is your book Countdown, Class 7. Subject Maths, Unit number 2, Rational Numbers, Instructor Hirarshad, FW Model School. Today our topic is rational number. What are rational number? Rational number are the numbers which can be written in the form of P and P by Q, or you can say that which can be written in fraction. We have to solve this exercise. Which of the following are rational numbers? 3 is a rational number? Yes or no? Yes, because 3 can be written as 3 by 1. If a number has no denominator, it means its denominator is 1. The number 3 by 0 is not a rational number because the denominator is 0. The fraction which contains denominator as 0 is not considered as rational number. 3 by 1, yes, rational number. Minus 3 by 1, yes, it is a rational number. Rational numbers further be divided into positive integers, negative integers, integers. What are integers? A number line which contains all the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on, and here -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on. These are the integers. Positive integers are the integers which are in positive symbol. The integers which have negative symbol are called negative integers. The next question is write down the following rational number as integers. We have to write them as integer. The first question is 7. Question number 2, part 1. 7 by 1. It can be written as positive integer 7. The next question is -5 by 1. The integer is negative integer and can be written as -5. The number which doesn't contain any denominator, it must contain 1 as denominator. Similarly, you can write the other questions. Question number 2, part 3. Part 4. The question is -21 by -1. So how we can write this as an integer? Minus will be cut with minus. The resulting value will be 21 by 1 and 21 can be written as 21. This is the positive integer. Next question is write down the rational numbers whose numerator is -7 multiplied by 2 and whose denominator is -21 minus 2. So the rational number is -7 will be multiplied by 2 and the denominator is 21 minus 2. So plus minus, the rules are here for the plus and minus. When plus will be added with plus, the result will be plus. When plus will be added with minus, the result will be minus. When minus will be added minus, the result will be minus, but the values will be add. When we multiply these integers, these symbols having the integers having these symbols will be multiplied. Plus multiplied by plus is equal to, the resulting number is plus. Minus multiplied by plus will be minus. Minus multiplied by minus will be plus. In addition, we have minus, but the values will be added. But in multiplication, the values will be added. Minus and minus will be plus. Similarly, in division, this is the rule for multiplication. Now for division has the same rule as multiplication. Plus divided by plus, the resulting number will be plus. Plus divided by minus, the resulting will be minus. Minus divided by plus, the resulting number will be minus. Minus divided by minus, the resulting number will be plus. So now here we have the integers which have the symbol minus and plus. Minus plus, here you can see that minus plus, the result will be minus. Minus 14. 21 is the plus. Plus 21 are simple 21 means 21 with plus integer. The integer with plus, positive integer. 21 minus 2, 19. Now we have to divide the number if it can be divided, but if it cannot be divided, so the resulting number will be minus 14 by 19. Next question is, write down the rational number whose numerator is 15 minus 4 and whose denominator is 37 multiplied by minus 2. You can solve this question like question number 3. Express the above rational number with a positive denominator. The denominator will be positive by multiplying with minus. Express if the result will be minus. Next question number 5. Minus 3 by 7 as a rational number whose numerator is 6. We have the denominator is as a 6. I have a fraction minus 3 by 7. Question number 5. Minus 3 by 7 is a rational number which is given. I have to find the denominator as 6. 6 will be numerator. Which is the number multiplied by 3 to get the resulting number as 6? Minus 3 will be multiplied by 2 to get the denominator as 6. 7 will multiply by 2. So 3 2s are 6 and minus plus minus 7 2s are 14. Now I have the number minus 6. I have the numerator as 6. So minus 6 will be multiplied by minus 14 will be also multiplied by minus. I have to multiply the numerator and denominator with the same digit. I have to multiply the numerator and denominator with the same symbol. So the resulting number will be 6 by minus 14. This is the answer. You can solve all the questions next parts of this question like that. Question number 6. Express minus 2 by minus 5 as a rational number whose denominator is 5. Question number 6. I have a rational number minus 2 by minus 5. I have to find the denominator as 5. The denominator as 5, which is the required denominator in the question part 1. So how I can get the 5? As minus 2 will be multiplied by minus, or you can multiply like that, minus 1 will be multiplied by minus 2, minus 5 multiplied by minus, or minus 1 will be multiplied by minus 5. Minus 1 or simple minus are the same. So the result will be 2 by 5. I have the denominator as 5, which is my required rational number. Question number 7. Express the following rational numbers with a positive denominator. I have to find out the denominator as positive. So question number 2 in the part number 2 in question number 7. Part 2. I have the rational number minus 5 minus 2. How did I get the rational number with positive denominator? Similarly, in the question number 6, I have multiplied with minus 1. So in this question, I will also multiply minus 5 with minus 1. The numerator and denominator will also be multiplied by this number. I will get the number 5 by 2. I have denominator as positive. Similarly, we can multiply all the other rational numbers with minus 1 to get the positive denominator. Question number 8. Question number 8 is that represent the following rational number on the number line. I have to represent these numbers on number line. So how we can represent the numbers on number line? I have to draw a number line first. A number line contain 0 at its center and the positive integers as at its right side and negative integers at its left side. So I have to represent minus 2. Minus 2 will be represent in number line here. The next question, do both minus 2 by 3 and 2 by minus 3 represent the same negative rational numbers or not? I have to represent these numbers on number line to check the rational numbers are same or not. Minus 2 by 3 and 2 by minus 3. These numbers are the same because minus 2 by 3 minus is here. If I multiply this with minus 1, 3 will be multiplied by minus 1. The result will be 2 by minus 3. So these two numbers, these two rational numbers are same. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.